Enterprises receive a high volume of documents from many different sources. All these documents need to be efficiently processed and integrated into existing workflows and systems. Today, organizations use a plethora of tools to process these documents, which are too expensive, don't scale, are incompatible, and require too much administration. Smart teams are standardizing on a central document infrastructure to generate uniform documents throughout the enterprise. Foxit Rendition Server provides the powerful document processing engine that makes document processing faster and more economical. Enterprise Content Management Standardization. Rendition Server can take scanned images and convert them into PDF, reduce the file size, make them searchable, and make them archivable so they won't be changed over time. These documents can then be stored in enterprise content management systems. Customer Relationship Management Standardization. Take emails and convert them into PDF and put in customer relationship management systems. Therefore, all customer interactions are kept in one place and in a single, consistent file format. Document standardization. Take all multiple file formats your company uses and convert them into a single consistent file format. This will make them easier to store and to find when you need them. Document accessibility. Take documents from all these sources and make them accessible so they can be consumed by the visually impaired. Information protection. Take documents from all these sources that contain confidential information and either secure them, redact them, or both. Document output. Take information from databases and add them to document templates to produce documents such as bills, customer communications, and other high-volume repeatable documents. These documents can be shared electronically via email or printed and sent through postal mail. Rendition Server is so integratable and extensible, it can be configured to support all your vital document processes. Rendition Server is a high-performance engine with lots of power. The sophisticated failover and load balancing ensures stability and efficiency at peak processing periods. Foxit Rendition Server, the document engine that can.